Hello guys, welcome back. Today's recipe is one of the most popular dal recipe from North Indian Punjabi cuisine. It's creamy, it's buttery, and it's delicious. It's Dal Makhni. So let's make this delicious dal in absolutely no time. Soak black lentils, Chana Dal and Rajma overnight. Wash it very well before using. In a pressure cooker, add soaked lentils and rajma. Add enough water to boil. Now add bay leaf, cinnamon sticks, and finally chopped onions. Then add minced garlic, oil or ghee, and salt to taste. Mix it well. Close the lid and put on medium heat till it's cooked and is soft. It takes about 4 to 5 whistles. So while dal is boiling, let's prepare elements for our tadka or tempering. Grind tomatoes, few strands of mace and black cardamom together into a paste. Let's check on our dal. It's been some time. Okay, so it has cooked very well. It is very soft and tender. Keep aside. Heat butter and oil in a heavy bottomed kadhai and heat it on medium heat. Add tomato paste and saute for 7 to 8 minutes. Then add Kashmiri red chilli powder, coriander powder, ginger garlic paste and Garam Masala. Mix well, cover it and cook for 10 minutes on medium heat. Let's check our tadka. It has turned out so well. The oil has separated and it's good to go. Very carefully pour the boiled dal in prepared tadka. Give it a good stir. Once it has mixed well, add cream and freshly chopped coriander. Sprinkle kasuri methi on top. Now let the dal simmer on low heat for at least 20 minutes. This step is very important and it gives dal very delicate and a delicious flavor. Stir occasionally so it doesn't stick to the bottom. Our dal makhni is ready. Garnish it with cream and coriander. Serve hot with roti, rice and masala curd or naans. It's a good sumptuous meal for any day of the week. So enjoy and thank you for watching. If you have liked my recipe, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.